Yes, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the king, come banging on your chest. You can be the world, you can be the world. You can touch your guy, come banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can be the crowd. You can move mountains, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself, stand in your own way. And I want to know your name. Yes, you do. And I want to know your name. Oh yeah. You're the boss of the house. You can go to business, you can run a mile. You can walk straight through here with the sign. You can be a hero, you can get the gold. Breaking on the records, it's the color of the gold. Do it for your people, do it for your pride. Never gonna know. And you're standing in the hall of fame.
Do you know the lyrics? Some of it? Okay. Well, when we do the chorus, lean in and sing with me. But here, I'm gonna show you something. At the very end of the song, we're gonna do this. Make sure this is working. And at the very end, I'm gonna go. And I want you to hit this. No, this one. Yes, and then when he hits that, everyone's gonna go. So let's practice. Alright, this song is called Never Seen Anything Quite Like You.